On today's video, we are eagerly awaiting the winner of our 1968 Jaguar E-Type Series 1.5, Robert Alfonso. Now, he is going to be here in just a second. We are going to show him around the workshop, but this is the moment where he sees his Jaguar for the first time. Right, here you go.
Oh my God. Look at her gleaming like that. It's incredible. That's a first love, isn't it? It's one of those. May I go in? Is that,
Of course, yeah.
Is that okay? Sorry, guys. Wow. Whew. It's worth 4.5 hours every day of the week. It's hard to believe it was that shell from the beginning, wouldn't it? That it was the same car, really.
Yeah.
Even the pop. That is fantastic, isn't it? Wow. Oh. How have I won that? I mean, I've won two things in my life, and that's
really?
my partner's heart and this car. Do you know what I mean? That's the only thing
that is the sweetest thing ever.
Yeah. That's crazy.
What did you think of the workshop? Because obviously, as you've said, you've followed it and you've seen the work in progress, and then you've actually seen the place that it's been done. How was it?
Oh, it was outstanding. To even meet the people that have touched and worked on the car itself is a great opportunity. Yeah, it was fantastic.
Today, we're going to take it for its first test run. Would you like to do it?
Oh my God, please. Yes, please.
Yeah,
at least be in the car, at least.
Yeah, so definitely, yeah. You can take it for our first test run. So it's going to be the first time that it's ever actually been driven.
Wow.
So it's definitely going to be a test run. But you are welcome to do it if you like.
Oh, I'd love to. I really would love to.
Go for it.
Fantastic, thank you. I'm sitting in my dream car. You know, how have I won this? It's incredible, isn't it? It really is. Yeah.
So Gordon, our director's just coming over.
How are you?
This is Robert.
Nice to meet you. I spoke on the phone. Thank you so much. What a lucky boy. Oh, beyond expectations. Beyond expectations.
Jump in and drive around the car park, or drive out for a little bit and just come back.
I would love to if I possibly could.
Robert, who is the very lucky winner of our 1968 Jaguar E-Type Series 1.5. So you've arrived today, we had the big reveal.
Yes.
Just tell me, what was your first thought when you saw the car?
Mind blown. Even though I followed the whole process, to see it in person is just beyond expectations. It really is.
So you said that you follow us, so how did you come across British Classic Cars?
I've kind of followed the process from fairly early on, I would say. I think I stumbled on it social media wise, then I ended up with this fantastic car.
Oh my goodness. So can I ask you, how many tickets did you buy?
I only bought 2 for this one.
2 tickets?
Yeah, exactly.
Can you let me know, what would you say to anyone who hasn't yet entered a competition but they're thinking about it? What would you tell them?
I would say, what have you got to lose? For the price of 2 tickets to have this fantastic car, what could go wrong, really?
Where's going to be your first trip, do you reckon?
I reckon Cornwall. I'm going to do a Cornwall trip, I think.
Because how far away is Cornwall from you? Because us, it's like 7 hours.
Is it? It's 2 hours. About 2 hours.
Amazing.
Yeah, exactly. It's not far.
Not far at all.
No.
And it's got a big enough boot for you to get your picnic in.
Yeah, exactly. And a bottle of champagne would be good to go.
Yes, lovely. Well, I can't wait to hear all about it, and congratulations again.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
No,
Fantastic.
You're welcome.